I'm going to show you two different situations. Number one, you've got a balloon filled with carbon dioxide. That's this balloon that's in here right now. You should be able to see it right there. Here's the balloon, carbon dioxide, much denser than normal air. However, this balloon is already a compound, and this compound is not flammable. So this balloon's experience will be less than you probably want. But I'll still let you see this. You ready? Light the matches. And then it is the blow. Oh! Do it right on the wall. Thank you. Balloon number 2 is this little baby hydrogen balloon. I inflated it earlier today, but hydrogen is it's a small atom, so it's going to escape from this balloon a lot easier than normal air would. So it's just going to float right there. Mrs. Nolan, you probably want to get the lights for the second to last time. Okay, the balloon's floating there. This hydrogen gas, hydrogen is in the group that has one valence electron. Very reactive. Here's how reactive it is. And now with this balloon, I am going to take care of things that I should have taken care of a long time ago. No, sometimes it's good if you have frustrating times like I've had my whole career here at school with audio-visual equipment. I'm going to get rid of the audio-visual equipment. This suckers, if I had 10 of these, I could float out of this room. But you know what else I could do with 10 of these? I could do this a bunch of times.
Oh my God. I seriously want to pop.
This, I guarantee you, is the biggest balloon I've ever popped with hydrogen in it. Ms. Nolan, this is for you the last time.
Yes.
I'm a little nervous.